Extra virgin olive oil with lemon, excellent results. Extra virgin olive oil contains polyphenols and lemon juice contains vitamin C and B2. Mix both and you get a high percentage of bioactive antioxidants, which makes it a good medicine for those suffering from inflammatory diseases, such as rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis. It strengthens memory, increase focus, helps increase concentration and prevents Alzheimer's disease. It also fights harmful free radicals responsible for the symptoms of aging. It helps to promote the health of the skin and hair. Olive oil with lemon stimulate blood circulation and improve the performance of the cardiovascular system. This combination helps to soften the mucous membranes of the stomach, improve kidney, liver and gallbladder functions, and it is good for treating urinary tract infection and constipation. It maintains the integrity of blood vessel, bones and teeth and contributes to weight loss. Olive oil with lemon also give the body energy by maintaining the integrity of blood vessels and the continuation of blood circulation and activity in all parts of the body. How to prepare and use. Mix a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil with a teaspoon of lemon juice. Once mixed, drink it immediately on an empty stomach in the morning, half an hour before breakfast. Continue doing this and in a few days you feel better, leaner and more energetic.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.